Before you begin, remove the access panel, fan duct, and heatsink. Removal. Note: if you are reusing the processor or heatsink, remove the thermal grease with an alcohol swab. Push down and out on the load lever and allow it to rise to the spring tension position. Lift the load plate until it is fully open. Important: before removing the processor, take special note of the gold triangle on one corner and the notches on two sides of the processor. The processor must be installed in the same orientation in which it was removed, or it may be destroyed. Grasp the processor and lift it straight up out of the processor socket. Replacement. Caution: the pins on the system board are very fragile and easily damaged. To avoid damage to the system board, do not touch the processor or the processor socket contacts. Align the processor in the correct orientation and carefully place it straight down into the socket. Lower the load plate over the processor socket. Lower the load lever and place it securely into its latch.